Set on the bright and spacious Itemba campus in Hillcrest, KwaZulu-Natal, Waterfall Schools offers an affordable Christian independent education to boys and girls from 12 months to grade 12. Experienced teachers strive to create an environment where every child feels comfortable in who they are, embracing nature and the simple pleasures of childhood.
Incorporating Waterfall Pre-Primary, Waterfall Preparatory, and Waterfall College, this is a place where community matters and where we are all motivated to be positive influences in our country. Small classes mean that there is plenty of time for individual attention and creative discovery.
Being on such a big campus makes every day feel like an adventure. There's so much to explore, from the cross-country trail to the fields, the wetland, and the basketball courts.
Passionate teachers go above and beyond to ensure every student grows into a well-rounded and secure young adult.
A range of sport, cultural activities, and a focus on service and leadership creates a culture of humility.
This is a school with an extraordinary story and the potential to truly change lives in our community.
Join us and be part of our journey.
I am heard. I am appreciated. I am free to be me. I am a child of Waterfall Schools.